So these Autel drones are certainly drumming up a lot of attention, aren't they? You guys cannot wait for this to come out, just like me. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about the actual official prices for these drones, all 4 different models. All 4 models also now come with a premium combo as well, so we're going to discuss what that includes, and then a promotional video at the end. So yes, you are right to be excited. These drones look phenomenal, but let's get into them prices. So each of the 4 drones is going to have its own premium combo as well. So think of this as like the Fly More combo. This is going to give you extra batteries and it's going to give you some extra little accessories. So it's always a good idea, if you can initially, to buy that Fly More or that premium combo, anything where you're going to get extra batteries, because you're going to need extra batteries. No matter how long that drone or that battery lasts, you're going to want more. So if we start with the Lite version, so this is the 800 gram roughly drone. It's going to compete with that DJI Air 2S. And this includes as a standard baseline package. I'll just put it on the screen now. So this includes the drone, the controller, the charger, the set of propellers, and then the charger cables. Nothing really spectacular there, but this is what we expect. If we move over to the premium combo though of that Lite package, this is a standalone one, this is what's going to be better value for money for you. This includes 2 extra batteries, 4 ND filters, an on-the-go charger hub, 3 sets of propellers, charger cable, same remote, and then the travel bag. So it's always a good idea if we go for that. If we look now at the Plus model of the Lite, here the drone is actually just a different color, but it does come in different colors. Same controller, same charger, so it's everything as that standard package. And then the Plus, again, just like before, 4 ND filters, an on-the-go charger, 2 batteries, a travel bag, and then 3 propellers, same again. So always try and go for that premium combo because it's just going to be much better value. What about the Nano? So the Nano, this is what everyone's talking about, and this is going to be that 249 gram drone with tracking capabilities, obstacle avoidance. It's going to come in 2 versions, the Nano and the Nano Plus, and both of these are going to have that premium combo, which gives you extra batteries. Let's just see what's included in the box. We'll start with the baseline one first. So here you can see the drone in white. Comes with a controller, 1 battery, a set of propellers, and then the charger leads, and it looks to look like USB-C charging only with that. The premium combo is going to give you 3 batteries, a travel case, it looks like to be some kind of charging hub on the left hand side, USB-C cables, the on-the-go charger, the same controller, and 3 sets of propellers. So I would again always go for that premium combo just for them batteries alone, and it looks to be some kind of power hub or something, so you're going to get faster charging. And then if we move over now to the Plus model, we'll just see what's in the box there. So the Plus model, just like before on this and the premium combo, the Plus model comes with literally 1 battery, the controller, and then USB-C cable, and then the premium one, again like before, the drone, the controller, travel bag, 3 batteries, just as we said. So the difference between the 2 drones, as we discussed heavily on the last video, is going to be that faster lens and the better quality. So if you could go for one of these, you'd better off getting the Plus version and the premium combo, but it all comes down to you, which one you want and your budget. And when we get these drones actually in the air, I'll be able to recommend to you which one I do recommend. But what about the prices? So let's talk about the prices now for each of those 4 models. So if you go for the Nano, so this is the 249 gram drone, and this is going to be the small drone, and this is the standard package in dollars, $649, $799 for the premium bundle. The Nano Plus, $799 for the standard, and $949 for the Nano Plus. And then if we move over to the Lite, this is going to be that DJI Air 2S competitor, the mid-sized drone, $1,149, $1,449 for the premium bundle. And then the Lite Plus, $1,249, and then $1,549 for that premium bundle. So what do you think about the prices? So those are the official prices, and try not to compare this too much to that DJI Mini 2. The Mini 2 doesn't have active track, doesn't have tracking, it doesn't have obstacle avoidance. These drones do. So there will be a price increase when the new DJI comes out. We saw that on the Air 2S, 25% roughly increase in that price. So if the UK Fly More combo for the Mini 2 is $549, expect the new version to be around the $750 mark. So yes, they are more expensive, these prices, but there is a lot of features crammed into this. And for most people, if you only want and need a small drone, this could include all the features that you possibly need. Now we won't fully know how good this is until we've got this actually in the air and if it warrants that price, but certainly from looking at the specs and the camera quality, the fast lenses on the Plus models, it is really exciting times, and I cannot wait to share you my thoughts and reviews on these different drones coming out. Exciting times for us all, and it's only a good thing. Any competition from really good manufacturers like this is brilliant for us as consumers. Now in the next clip to finish, I'm going to show you a promotional trailer for this actual drone, and this is the small drone, and it's got Chinese subtitles over it. But subscribe if you're new around here, because any information on these drones I get, I'm going to show you guys. As soon as I got it, I'll be testing it, and then I'll be putting it on YouTube as soon as we're allowed. So stay tuned if you're new, and I'm going to put this video on right now. But for me, I'm out of here. Enjoy this trailer for this next drone coming out, and it's exciting times for us all. Take care. Bye-bye.